Attention New Mexicans, did you know that you could be disqualified from ever getting solar on your home just because of the subdivision you live in? These are called red zoned areas and they're popping up more and more. So what does that mean? It means that you may live in a neighborhood like this one, and because PNM says the feeders are at max capacity, that would automatically disqualify you and all your neighbors from ever getting solar. So essentially, until PNM updates the grid infrastructure, you're straight out of luck. It's not fair, but it's happening right now in New Mexico. But if you've been paying attention, you've probably noticed that PNM has been building solar farms all over New Mexico. PNM is raising rates on you slowly to pay for their solar farms, which they're going to create free energy from and in turn sell back to you. Meanwhile, they're not updating the infrastructure and telling homeowners they can't go solar. Look at this neighborhood in Rio Rancho, for example. Boom, here's red zoned, here's red zoned, this is gonna be red zoned. Oh wait, and what's this? Right in the middle of that? PNM's brand new solar farm. So what we like to explain to people is that if you live in New Mexico, you will be getting your energy from solar panels either way. Either you can put them on the roof yourself, or you can wait for PNM to charge you for theirs. Click the link below to see if your neighborhood has already been red zoned. At Consumer Solar, we can help you get a permit before that happens.